How to tighten or adjust bra straps. Adjusting bra straps should be easy as breathing, right? Not always. And sometimes we let ourselves get away with loose or ill-fitting bra straps just because it's too much trouble to fix them. However, that might not be the best practice. Why should your bra straps fit right? In the first place, your bra is there for support, to protect the delicate breast tissue from strain. If you're using the bra strap adjustments to make up for the wrong cup size or band length, you'll only strain your shoulders and chest as the bra straps dig in or slip off. Picking the right bra strap length. When choosing a bra, make sure the straps fit well even if they are not fully tightened. Since bra straps stretch, you need to have something to tighten. Find bras with bra straps that are only midway tightened. The same goes with the band, it has to fit at the farthest hook, not the tightest. How to tighten or adjust your bra straps. The basic bra design has a buckle, or strap adjuster that tightens or loosens the straps, much like the shoulder straps on a sports backpack. You will notice that the adjuster connects the strap to itself, in a loop. To tighten the bra straps, you want that loop to be longer. Hold the strap adjuster and slide the material through until the loop is longer and the strap is tightened. To loosen the bra straps, you want that loop to be shorter. Hold the strap adjuster and slide the material through until the loop is shorter and the loose end is longer. Tips and tricks. It is usually easier to take the bra off first before adjusting it. After a while of practice, you could actually go pro and do a quick on-the-fly adjustment with just one hand, without taking it off. But it's better to carefully measure it so you won't need more adjustments throughout the day. Remember, wearing the right length of bra strap is just as much a part of breast health as knowing your cup size. Choose well.